I've always worked in data. I started off in consulting, but after a pretty mathematical degree. I did a PhD in econometrics, so my aim has always been to use data in an applied way. I think the exciting thing about North is that it's such a heritage brand, so it's got such an amazing reputation, but there's so much of an opportunity to grow. We've got an insane amount of data, so much that we can do with it, and the willingness to do it is pretty exciting when you actually got the history of the brand that we have as well. From a Gen AI perspective, we use it to test concepts or to help us to improve the speed of our work. From a marketing perspective, we would upload the data that we have and then ask it questions. So how do we find these audiences? Where might we want to place adverts? What would we do? So we get to do a whole heap of research in one go that would have previously taken us weeks can be shortened down into a couple of hours. On top of that, we're using machine learning and lots of different models to understand customer churn, customer segments, personalized content, understand our marketing mix and where our revenue comes from and how we get the most out of our investment. So no matter how good your data looks or you think it looks, when you start building models, you realize that there are gaps and that there are some things that you can't do. So going back and fixing things has been quite a big part of the initial setup, but we've been really pragmatic to say how much can we use and how much really needs to be done. And I think the other side is ensuring that you bring the business with you, and you can produce the best models in the world, but they're not going to have a business impact if people don't buy into what you're actually doing. So I think that it's so important just to make sure that the people who are going to be your end user are happy with what you're doing and are on that journey with you.